1. Someone feels better about themselves because you exist. Every day there are people who admire and look up to you without you even realizing it. Your presence alone has the power to uplift and inspire others, so never underestimate the positive impact you have on the world around you. 2. Believe in the power of your dreams. Your dreams and aspirations are valid and achievable. Trust in your abilities, work diligently towards your goals, and never let anyone discourage you from pursuing what sets your soul on fire. 3. Be kind to yourself and others. Treat yourself with the same compassion and understanding that you would extend to a dear friend. Remember that everyone is fighting their own battles, so approach others with empathy and kindness. 4. Embrace your unique journey and trust the process. Everyone's path is different, and comparison is the thief of joy. Focus on your own progress, celebrate your milestones, and trust that everything is unfolding as it should in your life.